Hi darling friends, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or depends where you're listening from. My name is Eligo. Today I want to shed some lights on miracle tree. Yeah, this leaf you're seeing here is called miracle tree. It's I don't know the real name, but you can search for real name, but we know it as miracle tree or tree of life here. You can see it the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Those three leaf represent this thing I just said. That's where I put it. You can put it the way you can understand it better. So this thing has so many health benefits, spiritual, physical, and otherwise. So number one health benefit is for menstrual issues, for all kind of menstrual issues, for menstrual cramp, irregular menses, and scanty menstruation, and then if the blood flow is not normal blood, like maybe too dark, you don't really like it, please take this tea. You have to bring it out, steam it, and then wash it and boil it. Start drinking the tea, for drink it for 3 days, and then allow your menses to allow everything to come in normal. Okay, so I do though I uploaded videos on menstrual issues, but this one also helps. Okay, so if you're having any menstrual cramp, any menstrual issue, irregular menses, scanty and heavy flow, please, whatever issue you have, take this tea. Is going to help fight it for you. Yes, I mean it. Then don't forget to leave a comment. If you know about this, please comment so that others will learn. Okay, fine and beautiful. So number two, we are going for navel on a new baby. You know, when you give birth to a new child, you see the navel. Sometimes it takes longer than necessary, and if care is not taken, that baby may be infected through that navel if you don't take care of it. So if you want the navel to fall out quick, like you want it to close up in a short period without having any side effects, please get just one leaf of this, put in a room temperature, or just in your kettle or oven, just little hot, and then squeeze out the juice directly to the navel. Do this for just 2 days and then see how it will take care of the navel. Whatever problem, if the navel is infected already, do this, it will correct the navel. If the baby navel is infected already, I said, do this, is going to correct it. Okay, so do take this for your baby's navel, and then forget about other side thing. It doesn't have any side infection. Then number three is acne cure. If you're having acne, most time it may be that your immune system is not healthy enough. Those acne sometimes may be signs of some sicknesses or anything, diseases or infections in your body. So this will help to boost your immune system, thereby helping you to fight on your acne. So just make the tea and start taking it morning and evening. Take it for a period of 3 days, and you will see changes in your body. It has been tested and confirmed. Please, if you know about this and you're just coming across it today again, just to refresh your memory, I implore you to please leave a comment so that those who doesn't know about it will got to know that I'm not just telling cook and boo stories. Okay, that's fine. So let's continue. The next one is insomnia. Is if you find it difficult to sleep, just get one leaf, wash it and chew it in the morning before your breakfast. Do this for at least 3 4 days and see the insomnia disappear. You will start sleeping like a baby. I actually have a video on insomnia and things you can do to take care of insomnia, like banana, washing of your leg with, and so many things. So if you want to watch the videos, feel free to comment, or I will leave the link in the description so that you can look for it. Then another wonderful importance of this is high blood pressure corrector. Yes, yes, you heard me. I mean high blood pressure corrector. On this one, you have to be very, very careful. It works like magic. It can bring it down to hypotension. You only need to take this for the period of 3 days, at highest, morning and evening. Just chew one leaf in the morning, one leaf in the evening. By so doing, just do it for 3 days and go back to the hospital for checkup. You'll be, if you can tell yourself the truth, your your doctor or your nurse, the physician, must surely ask you what did you do, because this thing will bring it down like magic. Okay, that's beautiful. So whatever you want to do, please be careful. Don't take it too much. It's going to lead you to hypotension. I repeat, if you're pregnant, don't even try to take this. All right, fine. Then it cures any ear problem. Yes, if you have any ear problem, people find it difficult to hear, so it may be due to one sickness or the other. Drink this and then bring out the juice and put it directly into your ears. It's going to correct it for you. It also helps in ulcer patients. If you're an ulcer patient, this is for you. Take this leaf one every morning. Once every morning, just one leaf every morning. By so doing, you will say goodbye to any kind of ulcer. So dearest friends, I call this Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Then the middle is Amen. That is how I describe it. I said it has so many spiritual benefits. It also has the power to make you sell more, prosper you, open doors, like so many things, break ancestral curses and all the rest of it. I don't want to enter deeply so people will not start thinking I'm a native doctor or a native lady. Please, we are all Christians, but God created all these things for us to use it. So if you want to know more about this spiritual, like how you can use it to make more sales, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to do the video based on the kind of comments I get. Okay, if you're able to watch this video, please comment that you want to know how to use it to make more sales. Then I will teach you how to do it and upload it. In fact, I may send it directly to you. Okay, it has so many health benefits, the same way physical and spiritual benefits. Okay, fine and beautiful. Then if you want to know how to plant this thing, still follow me. I will show you how you can propagate it, like how you can use just the leaf to have your own. Please, it has do's and it has don'ts. If you're a woman and you're menstruating, don't ever near this, not to cut it. Don't ever do that. If you're a man, yes, if you're a man and don't urinate on those plants, don't urinate on this tree, don't even near it to urinate. Maybe you don't know before, but since you're aware of it, please keep these rules. It is a very powerful leaf. Now, how do we propagate it? How do we plant it? Just get one leaf. If you don't have access to the stem, get one leaf and then plant it. Just those way alone, it will start germinating. The only tree I've seen that you can plant using the leaf. You don't need much. Look at what I'm doing. Just get some soil or sand or whatever, bury it inside and cover it. Allow it to stay there for at least 1 week. You will see so many branches coming out. Okay, remember, it's just the leaf that I used. That's why I'm open for you to see it. I believe you must have enjoyed this video. Why not give us a thumbs up and then subscribe? Till I come away next time. Bye.